Hello, Matthew Jeske here. I'm a real estate agent in Sahuarita, Arizona, and today we're in Madera Highlands. We're gonna walk through this model home. This example is the Brahms floor plan in Madera Highlands. It is 1,480 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, and 2-car garage. We walk in here, we have a little walkway that leads into the great room space. Immediately in front is the dining area. We have a breakfast bar and our kitchen here. What's nice about this setup here is what you see is basically what you get. There are a few coloration options with this builder. That's about it. It's an easy home to have built. This is the great room suite. As we come around here, we're going to go into the master bath. Here's our vanity, dual sink vanity. One thing I love about these model homes is they even stage the water closet. And here we have our walk-in closet. Right there's the walk-in shower. Of course, it's a linen closet on the right there. Go back into the great room. It's another closet. Here's our great room. It's your living space right here. This table is really where you would be placing your TV. Again, there's the kitchen. We do have a nice walk-in pantry here. And I'm being told they do provide the backsplash right now, which is a nice touch. Let's take a look here. Here's our second bath. Dual flush toilets, quick tip. Always leave the toilet seat down when showing homes. This home shows beautifully. One thing I want to tell you that is nice about this builder, you always get the gas along with the electric hookup in the laundry. So you can do a gas dryer or an electric 220 volt dryer. This is one of the bedrooms. And this hallway I'm in is parallel to the entry. It ultimately leads out to the 2-car garage. The window we're looking through here looks out under the front porch. It's got a nice picture window looking towards the front of the property. That is the door to the garage, currently being used as a construction office. I hope you enjoyed this Brahms floor plan. If you'd like to come take a look at it, give me a call, Matthew Jeske, 520-344-3481.